Ano po ba ang tax evader? May kaibahan ba ito sa tax avoidant?
Okay. So, mainit na mainit tong topic na to ngayon, ano? Kasi marami tayong nasusubaybayan regarding different personalities, no, na medyo inaabangan ng Bureau of Internal Revenue. So, ang tax evader at saka yung tax avoider, magkaiba kasi yan. So, hindi ako pwede mag-interpret by myself. So, hihiramin ko na lang yung definition ng Supreme Court. Okay lang po ba?
Okay lang.
Sige. So, pag tax evasion, sabi dito, it connotes, a scheme used outside of those lawful means. It connotes fraud through the use of pretenses and forbidden devices to lessen or defeat tax. Yung tax avoidance naman, sabi rin po ng Supreme Court na galing siya sa legal right, no? It has a legal right to decrease the amount of what tax obligations within what the law permits. So simply put, pareho nilang gustong pababain yung kanilang tax. Yung tax evader, yun nga lang, hindi naaayon sa batas yung kanyang pag-decrease ng tax due or tax obligations. Yung tax avoider, within the parameters of law, yung kanyang desire or yung kanyang pursuit na i-decrease or i-reduce yung kanyang tax liability.